When you plug an external USB drive into your PC or laptop, the USB device is usually not recognized. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem yourself. We will start by fixing it using the device manager. Connect the USB to your PC, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the hardware list. Select Disk Drives. Right-click on the unrecognized USB drive and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, unplug the USB device. Wait 1 minute, then reconnect the USB drive and check if it appears in Windows Explorer. You can also try to update the USB device driver in the Device Manager. Find the Universal Serial Bus Controllers option and double-click on it. A list of USB controllers will appear. Right-click on the controller and select Update Driver. Let it automatically search for updated driver software. You should update each of them to the latest version and hopefully the problem should be fixed. If the USB device not recognized problem persists, then reinstall the USB controller. This helps when the USB driver becomes unstable or corrupted again. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers and right-click on the device and select Uninstall. You need to repeat this for each device. Once done, restart your computer. Your USB controller will automatically install. Okay, the last way is to change the USB power settings. This will prevent USB devices from losing power. Go to Start Settings. Click System. Then find Power Settings. Select the option next to the currently selected plan. Click Change Plan Settings. Then select Change Advanced Power Plan. Now look for USB settings and expand it. From the drop-down menu, select Disable and save your changes. Okay, if the worst happens, you have to format your USB drive to make it work. If this happens, all your data will be wiped out. I highly recommend using Dback Data Recovery tool to recover lost data. It can recover photos, videos, documents, and many other file types from formatted devices. The link to download Dback is placed in the description below. Okay, now you know how to fix USB drive not recognized issue and recover data from formatted drive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts with us. We always bring you great data solution videos.